pizza, arguably the comfiest of comfort foods, and it's eaten by the millions daily around the world. And this one here was put together by a robot. Developed by Picnic, this modular machine is said to put together around 300 pizzas per hour. That's so many that you'd need 3 of these big ovens to cope with that amount. The dough still needs to be prepped by a human, but from there, it's completely automated.
Now, to get this machine running, first you need to select what kind of pizza you want on this tablet. Once you've done that, you place the dough inside underneath this sensor right here. And what that does is it works out the exact location of that dough. Why is that? Because it needs to work out where exactly those ingredients need to be placed on the pie.
There are 4 modules for sauce, cheese, vegetables and meat, but a restaurant offering more on the menu can add however many they want.
In between each ingredient module is a camera, and this camera takes pictures of each stage of the pizza making process. It then sends those pictures back to the AI, so it can analyze them and improve itself over time. So the more pizzas it makes, the better it gets. So what you should get in the end is the perfect pizza. But there's one thing that I still have to do, which is take it from this machine and put it in here so it can bake.
What we're doing is we're digitizing what has been a completely manual process. So we're capturing data about ingredient usage, ordering patterns, sometimes you have food waste because you bought too much of an ingredient, you didn't use it. People can order directly off of their phone, and the system can tell the customer exactly when their pizza will be ready because it'll know where it is in the queue.
Right, now I'm going to put this machine to the test, a taste test. You know, I dabble in a bit of baking myself, so I'm going to bake my own pizza and compare the two and see which one comes out better. 2, 1, and it's ripped. Oh, hey.
And this means I can be as specific as I want, like taking out some black olives and adding extra cheese on top. Things the machine can't do. But if you're inexperienced, like me, that may come with a price.
Oh no. The rest of it is stuck to the mesh.
And now, to taste. First, mine. Yeah, alright, I'll be honest, it was awful. And the machines? Oh, sod it.
Okay, I lost.
And since the pandemic began, the company say they have also seen an increase in business as social distancing in kitchens and food preparation free of human contact becomes desirable. But is there a danger that the restaurants who use this machine could have very similar food to each other?
When we encounter a customer, we want to use their ingredients, their style, however they like to make their pizza. We want to make the same pizza that the chef is already making, just make it much more consistently and make it much more easily with lower food waste.
So these machines could fill up the kitchens of pizzerias in the future, unless you want to stick to a human's touch. Well, yeah, not mine.
Can someone help?